Good morning from the Swan and Dolphin Resort at Disney World. Today's a good day because today we are going to go to Magic Kingdom. We're finally going to be back after a very long time. So let's do this, I guess. But first, we got to talk plans. What are we doing?
We are going to Splash Mountain first.
Yeah, we're gonna hit. I guess we'll hit Splash Mountain first
Because it's the most
been so
popular.
popular.
Because they're changing it to
Princess and the Frog. So yeah, we're definitely gonna hit that first. I guess we'll hit. We may hit Seven Dwarfs next or Peter Pan. Either one. Those are both, of course, popular rides. And then of course, there's my all-time favorite ride, Space Mountain. Oh yeah, we have to do our outfit reveals in 1 second.
Oh, it's
anyway,
nothing
yeah.
special.
I think
It's called comfort.
Well, this shirt is very relevant to the situation and to my favorite ride. But anyway, yeah, Space Mountain's my favorite ride. I'm probably gonna ride it 50 times today, maybe. I don't know. All right, here's Ashley's outfit. Here's your outfit.
Oh.
I need space, spaceship. I need space. Space Mountain shirt. I've got Nike shorts, socks, and my Lunar Epic Low Flyknit 2s, fanny pack, of course my little cinch sack. This shirt is completely and awesomely relevant because it's about my favorite ride and it has to do with social distancing during these times. It's so funny, I got this before the pandemic was ever a thing and it's so extremely relevant right now. It's great. So yeah. And now we're just waiting for our bus. Hopefully it gets here soon. We're going to Magic Kingdom. Usually they run like an hour before the park opens. This one's not. So I guess we will see.
For your safety and the safety of others, please remain seated while the motor coach is in motion. If you're standing, we encourage you to use the handrails overhead or to the side and remain clear of the doors and stairwells. We ask that you refrain from eating, drinking, and smoking while on board the motor coach. And now, we invite you to relax and enjoy the ride. Thank you.
No, thank you. Thank you.
You are such a big girl.
She's so pretty. You're so pretty. You're so pretty.
I'm pretty aggressive.
The entrance. Please keep your party together. Thanks for riding with us, and have a wonderful time here at the Magic Kingdom.
Thank you. The Monorail. This one's running.
Face mask dispenser.
That's awesome. A face mask dispenser. Hopefully this will be a breeze. It should be. Alright, let's do this. We're almost inside. I can't believe this is happening. Good morning. Okay. I can't believe it. We're back. No line down. You want this one? Let's do this one. Look at this.
You're gonna wait right on the line.
On the line. You guys, about to happen.
For the health and safety of everyone,
Let's hope these work.
These work. What time is it? It's I can't tell. We're first in line in our section. Lots of people have congregated down there as I suppose that that's where you got on. Oh hey, Monorail. It's the Monorail. Trash cans with outdoors and health and safety reminders. Stand her down.
Good to go. Have a great
Thank you. Thank you so much. We're back in. Oh my goodness. Oh, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry, don't cry. One of the first people down Main Street to see the brand new, newly painted castle. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. This is amazing. Wow. This is amazing. I can't believe, oh my goodness, we're back. All right, to Splash Mountain. Splash Mountain. Ride has not yet opened, technically, so we are here in line, ready to get on. I have just received word that Splash Mountain may not open with the park at 9 o'clock. No, they may delay the opening. It may not open at 9 with everything else. Just due to technical stuff and everything, so we will see. Looks like we're heading in. Are we going?
Following slowly, and that we're walking, keeping that step up, y'all.
Yes, sir. Ash, this is your last chance to exit. Thank you. 2. Okay. Thank you. Oh, let's switch to the GoPro.
Look yonder. There goes Blue Rabbit.
So we just got off of Splash Mountain.
Mask is soaked,
Mask is soaked.
and the hair has now moved to a bun.
Yes, it has. I need to wet my glasses. They got wet and fogged up. You liked it? That could be your last time. I hope you enjoyed it. You did. Okay. Let's move on.
Stationary. Wash your hands often and
We
thoroughly.
can go now.
Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing.
And maintain physical distancing. Thank you for your cooperation.
Plexiglass dividers or crossbacks.
Sin cuidado, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro.
We just got off of Big Thunder Mountain. It was a straight walk on. What do you want to do?
We might do Haunted Mansion.
Haunted Mansion?
Over here.
Yeah, we could do that.
We could do Pirates. Right there. Over there.
Let's check wait times.
Yeah. The highest is 20. That's my train. Followed by Pirates.
To be expected.
Here.
Yeah.
I am shocked. That's second. I'm shocked.
I'm not surprised at all.
For Pirates?
Yeah. It's inside. It's an iconic ride. Yeah, I'm not surprised one bit. The lines are never, ever, as long as they say they are.
No. We didn't even wait for Big Thunder.
Can't wait to get to Tomorrowland. I do, for the first time in my life, I do want to do Astro Orbiters. Along with Space Mountain, of course. My favorite ride of all time.
That's not your first time on that.
What?
That's not your first time on Space.
No, it's my first time on Astro Orbiters. I've been on Space Mountain like 20 times.
And that's where the tiki room is here.
And the tiki room. And the tiki room. And the tiki room. And the tiki. Okay, I'm done. Alright, next up, Pirates of the Caribbean. It is showing there's a line, but that's just due to social distancing. Let's see if it's 15 or not. What time is it? I can't tell what time. I can't tell what time it is. I think my clock's broken. People behind me are standing right on top of us. Not social distancing. These people are right on top of us. No social distancing. It's not good.
Get ready to say hello to
Strike your feathers, dearie. Show up your flock.
Hey, send them hints to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want. Bring them the arties.
And sanitizer. Alright, we just got off Pirates of the Caribbean. It said it was a 15-minute wait, and it almost was that.
Yeah.
They might have been a little backed up or something, but I think it was just about 15 minutes, which is not usually the case when you are in a queue and there's a certain time posted. It's usually shorter than that. But yeah, Pirates was actually about the amount of time it said it would be. So there's that. Just to let you guys know. Next up, I don't know, what do you want to do? You don't know? Can do Aladdin? I'm just kidding. I don't think I like that ride.
It's not bad, but
It's like a not so fun version of Astro Orbiters.
rides in 50
Tiki
minutes.
guys. We're moving on now to, who knows? Stay tuned to find out.